Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of Pure Mathematics 3 is logarithm and exponential function. And in this topic, the subtopic is solving equations and inequalities involving logarithm. So here is a question. The statement is solve natural log of 2 plus x is equal to 1 plus natural log of x. So this is the thing which is required to be solved. So if you look at the equation, two values are given in natural log, but one is given as a constant. So first we will make all the values into the same log. So look now, natural log of 2 plus x will remain as it is, and we know 1 is equal to natural log of e, and this natural log of x will remain as it is. On the right hand side you can see two logs are multiplying, so their values will be two logs are adding, so their values will be multiplied. On the left hand side same value is there. So now on the two sides logs are there, so 2 plus x will be equal to ex. From here this x will go to the right side. On the left side we have 2 now. On the right side x will be taken as common. 2 is as it is. So e minus 1 will come to the left side. On right side x is left now, and now we are going to solve this on the calculator. So you can see the solution of this one is 2 divided by bracket start e minus 1 bracket close. So the answer is 5.437. So x is equal to 5.437. And other question is here. You can see in the equation two values are given with log 4 base 4, but on the right side the constant value is given. So first we will make all the values with log base 4. So this value is before the log, so it will go to the power of y, so it will become log of 4 y raised to power 2 minus this value will remain as it is, log 4 y plus 4, and on the right side this 1 by 2 will remain as it is. We have multiplied 1 by 2 with the 1, so this 1 can be written as log base 4 value 4. So whenever the base and value is same, the answer is 1. So the reason to write this is now all the values are given with the log base 4. So on the right hand side this 1 by 2 will go to the power of 4. So look now, on the left hand side two logs are subtracting, so their values will be divided with each other. So we will write log base 4 one time and y raised to power 2 divided by y plus 4. So a rule is applied here. On the right hand side you can see this 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2, and power 1 by 2 is still there, so this will be cancelled with this. So on the both side now log 4 base 4 is given, so the next rule that will be applied here, that is y square over y plus 4 will be equal to 2. From here y plus 4 will go to the right hand side, so it will become now 2y plus 8. On left hand side y square will be left. Okay, right hand side values will come to the left side, so it will become y square minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So factorization will be done here. Multiply the coefficient of the first one with the last one. So 8 and the value of the singular variable is 2. So now think a pair of numbers whose multiplication equal to this one, addition or subtraction is equal to this one. So 4 and 2, because 4 twos are 8, and 4 minus 2 will give us 2. So now write the coefficient variable of singular variable with these two values. This sign is telling us that these two values will have opposite sign, and this sign is telling us that the greater will have minus and the opposite will have the smaller. So now write this pair in place of this one. So y square minus 4y plus 2y minus 8 will be equal to 0. From here make pairs, take common. From the first pair y will be common. So y into y minus 4. In the second pair plus 2 will be common, and the remainder will be y minus 4 equal to 0. Same bracket will be copied one time, and the values outside the bracket will be written in the second bracket. From here y is equal to 4 or y is equal to minus 2. So when y is minus 2, actually the question is involving with log base 4. So you can see log base 4 minus 2. This is undefined. So it means this will be discarded. So y's value is 4 is the solution of this question. Here is another question, and the statement is solve. So e raised to power x plus 3 e raised to power minus x is equal to 4. So we will put in this question. So for example, we are putting y is equal to e raised to power x. So this will become y plus 3, and this factor will become now over y is equal to 4 will remain as it is. At this step we will take the LCM. So after taking LCM, y square plus 3 over y is equal to 4 is there. This y will go to the right side. So y square plus 3 is equal to 4y. This 4y will come to the left side. So y square minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. At this step, we will do factorization, multiply the coefficient of the first one with the last one, so 3, and the coefficient of the central value is 4. So think a pair of numbers whose multiplication equal to this one, addition or subtraction is equal to this one. So these are actually numbers 3 and 1, because 3 ones are 3 and 3 plus 1 will make 4. Write the variable of the central value with both of these two values. This sign is telling us that these two values will have same sign, and this is telling us that both values will have minus sign. So now write these two values in place of this one. So y square minus 3y minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Make pairs and take common. In first pair y is common, so y minus 3. In second pair minus 1 is common, so y minus 3 inside the bracket equal to 0. Same bracket will be copied once, and the values outside the bracket will be copied in the other bracket. So from here you can see y will be equal to 3 or y is equal to 1. So now replacing the value, because we have put y is equal to e raised to power x, so e raised to power x will be replaced. So e raised to power x will be equal to 3 or e raised to power x will be equal to 1. So take natural log of both sides. So x natural log of e will be equal to natural log of 3, And in this case, x natural log of e is equal to natural log of 1. Natural log of e is equal to 1. So e is equal to x is equal to natural log of 3. This is one answer. And on the right side, this natural log of e is 1. So x is equal to, and this natural log of 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two answers. So x is equal to natural log of 3, and natural log of 3 answer is 1.099. 1.099, and second answer is 0. So these are the answers. Here is another question, and this is an inequality. So because today's topic was solving equations and inequalities, so here is a inequality, and the requirement is solve it. So in first step, e raised to power minus 2x will remain here, and this minus 2 will go to the right side. So this will be the step now. Okay, taking natural log of both sides, so minus 2x natural log of e will be greater than natural log of 2. Okay, natural log of e is 1, so minus 2x is greater than natural log of 2, and natural log of 2 is 0.693. So minus 2x is greater than 0.693. Okay, multiply both sides, because actually we want to find the value of x, so we have to multiply both sides with minus sign. So in inequalities there is a rule: if you multiply both sides with minus sign, so the sign will be reversed. So look, now we are going to multiply both sides with minus sign, so here will become 2x. So this sign will be reversed, and this will become minus 0.693. At this step, 2 will go to the right side and will give us answer 0.347. So this is the answer. So here are some more questions on inequalities. So first part is 2 minus 3 e raised to power x is greater than 0. So from this step we will write 3e minus 3e raised to power x as it is, and this 2 will go to the right side, it will become negative. So multiply both sides with the minus sign, so this sign will be reversed then. So it means 3e raised to power x will be lesser than 2 now. Okay, this 3 will go to the right side, so e raised to power x will be lesser than 2 by 3. So at this step, take the natural logs of a log of both sides, so x will come here, and natural log of e will be equal to 1, so x is lesser than natural log of 2 by 3. So this is the answer of this part. Okay, here is another part. 3 raised to power minus x is lesser than 2. Okay, take natural log of both sides. So minus x natural log of 3 will be lesser than natural log of 2. Okay, multiply both sides with minus sign, and this will go to the right side as well. So x will be greater than natural log of 2 over natural log of 3. And other question, ex greater than 2 and lesser than 3, and the requirement is solve it. So take the natural log throughout, so natural log of 2 lesser than x is greater than natural log of 2 and lesser than natural log of 3. So this is the answer of this part. In this part, if you can see, so 2 raised to power x minus 3 will be lesser than 2. Okay, this minus 3 will go to the right side, so it will become 5. 2 raised to power x is still there. Take the natural log of both sides, so x natural log of 2 lesser than natural log of 5. So this natural log will go to the right side and answer will be natural log of 5 over natural log of 2. So this is the answer.